Imagine this. You could pocket $5 for every single minute you spend watching YouTube videos. And get this, it's completely free. With a new global website we're about to introduce you to, you have the potential to rake in thousands of dollars. This method isn't some secret. It's used by folks worldwide to make money online simply by watching YouTube videos. Picture this. You can kick back, relax, and enjoy your favorite videos while making money at the same time. All it takes is signing up for an account on this fresh, no-cost website, then diving into YouTube to start watching videos. That's it. You earn money just by watching YouTube videos. It doesn't get any simpler than that. First things first, you'll need a YouTube account. If you don't have one yet, head over to YouTube and sign up for a free account by clicking on Sign In. After entering your first and last names, email address, and password, click Next to complete the sign-up process. Later on, we'll show you how to use this platform effectively to boost your chances of success and earn a significant amount of money. And the best part? It won't cost you a dime. Make sure to watch the entire video and stick with us until the end. Next, let's talk about how you'll get paid. Many people make the mistake of jumping into websites that offer money for completing tasks without considering how they'll actually receive their earnings. But don't worry, we've got your back. PayPal is a free and reliable method for collecting your earnings and withdrawing your money. It's one of the best ways to get paid quickly and hassle-free, no matter where you are in the world. Before we proceed, head to paypal.com and click on the Sign Up button to create an account. The enrollment process is incredibly simple and takes less than 5 minutes to complete. Now let's take a trip to sproutgigs.com. It's an online marketplace that connects entrepreneurs and freelancers with simple, budget-friendly tasks from all over the world. This is the platform we will use to make money. Whether you're already working or just looking for a side hustle, Sprout Gigs offers various ways to earn money online. You can make some extra cash by watching videos or completing other tasks. It's that easy. No special skills or experience required. Just hit the play button on the video, watch it, and collect your money in your free time. Curious about how much money people are making on this website? You can check out the earnings of users by visiting the Sprout Gigs website and clicking on Freelance and Earn, updated hourly. You'll find a diverse group of workers from all around the world, making anywhere from a few bucks to hundreds or even thousands of dollars. You can see proof of payments right on the website, including the most recent withdrawal requests. While Sprout Gigs won't make you rich overnight, it's a great way to boost your income. Just remember, it's not a replacement for your regular job. Think of it as a way to supplement your existing income. To get started and register for a free account to start earning money, simply click on the Freelance and Earn section. Once you're there, follow these steps. Input your real name, select your country, provide a valid email address, and create a secure password and username. You'll find a list of nations available, showing that people from all around the globe are welcome here. Choose the country you're from, and you're all set to begin earning money online once you've completed the entire registration process. We'll guide you through the steps. Once you've successfully created an account and logged in, your new freelancing account will greet you with various job offerings, each with different pay rates depending on the location. On the right side of the page, you can see how much money you could potentially make. Click on Apply Now and adjust the category to Video Marketing to see the available tasks related to watching videos. There's a wide range of tasks you can complete and get paid for, many of which involve watching videos. Just imagine how easy it would be to earn money from the comfort of your own home or even your bed. You can do this anytime and anywhere and get paid for it. So how does it work? Simply click on any of the available jobs. Since this is your own account, you'll need to provide some personal information such as your city, birth date, a security question, and the corresponding answer in the fields provided on the left. Don't forget to save your information before moving forward. Now, let's delve into the compensation you'll receive simply for watching the video. Let's outline the tasks required of participants. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to YouTube. Instead of copying it, you'll be prompted to input the designated word in the subsequent search. Your objective is to locate a video that corresponds to this image. It's essential to note that utilizing filters such as newly uploaded or any other wall searching will render you ineligible for compensation. Ensure not to overlook the crucial step of watching the video for a minimum of 9 minutes if you wish to receive payment. Merely muting the video and allowing it to play may seem like a shortcut. However, it won't suffice. Consequently, there's no necessity to watch the entire video to start earning money online. All that's required is to view the video and subsequently click the like button. As you can see, it's truly as straightforward as that. Furthermore, it's worth reiterating that whether the videos are playing in the foreground or background, they still count towards your compensation. Although professions, where you're paid to watch YouTube videos, might be scarce, you have the opportunity to maximize your earnings and acquire free work from Sprout gigs by completing additional tasks or jobs. These tasks are designed to be straightforward, making them accessible even for individuals who are total beginners. Much like how individuals pay for likes on Facebook posts, you'll discover that people will compensate you for liking their posts on this micro-job website as well. With just a single click of a button after registering for a free platform, you can start earning money in this manner. On the flip side, all you have to do is pay a visit to the website and simply click on the provided link to start earning money. It doesn't get any simpler than that. Admittedly, the compensation may not be exorbitant, but considering the minimal effort required, we believe it's a worthwhile endeavor. If you're considering venturing into online work as a side hustle, it might be wise to invest the earnings you accrue through Sprout gigs into something you anticipate will appreciate over time. You can opt for tasks that only necessitate basic information, such as an email address, first and last name, and participation in various platforms for payment. There are literally thousands of diverse tasks awaiting completion, and you're at liberty to undertake as many as you desire. These tasks can be comfortably completed within a few hours while you remain stationary, and the earnings will swiftly accumulate. It's highly probable that you've noticed some users of this website are already raking in thousands of dollars. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to WealthWalk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next one.